Acio metagĩrĩra kuona niĩ ngĩhuka. Mere ndungataga Ngai wa ihinda rĩngĩ. Ndangĩeterera kuona mbeũ yake ĩkiura. Gĩtũmi wetagwo Ngai wa ihinda rĩngĩ. Ya. Ĩyo kũringana na mũhũri wa keyboard. Arĩa othe manahũra keyboard. Arĩa othe nginya manageria gwĩka testing. Testing. Ĩtagwo Kisogo. Yeah. I believe you know that key. Yeah? Yeah. So I am here to announce. Nitwabangĩte wega as a church, and we said we need new equipments. Yeah? We need to upgrade. Now, gũkĩgĩa sponsors who came through for us. Dama Mobiles. Damaris of Dama Mobiles. Yeah? Came through and said she will support this church to buy new equipment. Tutijaugire no. We can never say no to any support. Yeah? So we went to Nairobi. Na tugĩkĩoyana wega na Kimemia. This other foolish man called Morris. Gamini akiwa ndangĩtigwo. We all know him. Gwĩtua nĩ koi Nairobi. Yeah? And the former keyboardist. You all know that coward. Yeah. Gideoni wa keyboard. You know him. Nyina wa Sipora. Nenyona nĩ mũrĩ ndũgũ. Tondũ nĩokangaga gwaku atĩ oka gũgũcenjeria bulb. I have never seen such a behavior. Yeah? So we went. Tũgĩkinya harĩa Mũthaiga. Hĩndĩ ĩyo Gamini matigĩkuĩtwo na haha thutha. Yeah? Na Gideoni. I have never seen that. Dakwera gari ethiete 110 km/h. That pickup. Aloko me nogia. How can you accelerate to over 100 km/h? Yeah? Kimemetia kongorera maitho we. Yone gari ono gitengera ogwo wikore na gibaragitheri otigirwo rami-ini wikarite riera-ini ogwo rami-ini. I've never seen that. Yeah? So, Gideoni wa keyboard, na niwe wari na mbeca cia equipment. He jumps and runs, gets through Muthaiga police station, goes to Mathare. I've never seen that. He ended up with 150,000. Project money. Yeah? Yeah? Up to now, we cannot locate where he is. Gamini ke hau thutha kiratwira ni radio ria roga. Stupid you are. I cannot fathom. Ndũngĩhota kũnyita mũndũ ũguo ũmũite. Athiĩte magũrũ ũguo pick up in. You cannot. You can never go to military. You cannot. Mawĩra ndũngĩoywo. Macio magego maku na nĩ magacu. Yeah? So we need to continue to trace. We have to trace through physical and spiritual. Tumwitie. Nitwetia Gideoni wa keyboard kuria guothe agikorwo ahithite mbeca icio cioneke. Yeah? So we are doing what we can for now. We are looking for means. We are looking for ways. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that said, that is final, that is announced. I want Kimemia to rise up. Oko hujie, mamanye, this is the last time that you are preaching. Yeah. Either wasipora ni okwerera kuma hau. Thank you.